Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Wa pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. While others munch clover oh so sweet, Clara chase butterflies with tiny hooves and feet. One sunny morning a chart caught her eye, with letters so bright reaching up to the sky. Oh, look at this, Clara mooed with delight. Curved like a worm, it sparked her insight. C is for carrots, Clara did say, as she thought of the crunch on a sunny day. But the other cows laughed. C's just for moo. Why chase after letters? What's wrong with you? Clara was clever, she shook her head. There's more to this letter than what's being said. So off she trotted with a flick of her tail to discover new C's without fail. First to the coop where the chickens did cluck. What starts with a C? Clara asked with luck. Chicks they all chirped, fluffing up their down. C for chicks, Clara, come gather around. Next to the tree where cozy cat lay. What starts with a C? Clara wanted to say. A purr said the cat as he yawned and curled tight. Clara giggled softly, oh what a delight. Then to the pond where the duck took a swim. What starts with a C? Clara asked with a grin. A cool swim, of course, quacked the duck with glee. Clara splashed back, as happy as can be. With newfound knowledge, Clara raced back home to share all her C's, no longer to roam. From chicks and cool swims to purrs in the sun, the letter C was more than just fun. C is for carrots and clouds up above, cookies and cuddles, oh what do you love? Clara had learned that with letters you see, a world full of wonders waits patiently. So here's to Clara, so curious and bright. Exploring new letters brought her such delight. With a heart full of joy and adventures to see, Clara the calf knows there's magic in C. A world full of wonders, it's true. With a happy heart, she's ready for new. In a world full of letters, she'll never be done. For every new quest is a chance to have fun.